getting jobs in the city school. So now it is now left to you to get into it with this future. What determines what future? Look at me, every organization, every institution globally are integrating AI into their projects. One way or another. Look at giants, Microsoft. Look at Google. Look at Facebook. It's recently we have AI integrated with WhatsApp. So it's taking the whole space. It's not left to you to say, okay, how do I learn this and integrate it into my own development plans? You have to learn coding. Not it's code. We have a lot of areas in AI and you're going to school. We are administrator. But just have this basic knowledge about what does AI mean. How is it affecting me? How does it affect what I do? How does it affect what I am going to become? It is very simple, very basic. So with this mindset, just come learn from these professionals. Believe me, it is so broad. You cannot learn it in this. Just get that spirit. You cannot learn it in this. The foundation matters. The basics matter. It is what you learn now that you build on. Now you see something coming up, it is not going to be an alien to you. You can then have jump on maybe happens. Many views of this many people, but that makes you fall. On that note, I once again welcome to this space. I know you are part of the session here. And what a privilege. I really salute your courage and salute your resilience and your determination. People coming from a job from you coming here and just because you want to apply knowledge. It is not free. Knowledge is not acquired for free. You have to pay the price. The price can be money, like your sweat. It's not blood. Sacrifices. It is not going to be free.
Right. Okay. I think we just look away the sound from this speaker, from this mic. All right, let's see. All right, okay. So I think Mr. Lee, even though he's taking away the audio from the microphone, I think the speaker can let out the applause. Oh my, thank you so much. I think that's it's a good way to start. If you check that agenda, you're supposed to see a short video, but we are going to see that video for now, and we'll get straight into the business of the day because we are trying to move at the speed of light right now. But before we go on, I have some of our. I can see some very and some people here, and I would just like to let you know some of the things we'll be learning today, and also those are taking us. I think about adventure. We have Shannon Favor Brunos here. Shannon Favor. Okay. I actually remember that, so I think I've seen her for the first time today. Yes, so she's a cyber defense analyst, and we also be having Stephen Adiku, who is a machine learning and AI agent developer. And of course, having myself and my partner also joining us. Okay, so while this goes on, later today, we will do something. We'll be playing us all into groups. Yes, how many of us are from? I was trying to pay attention, but I was doing something else. How many of us are from last week? Yeah, last week. Quite a lot. There's about 10. So, okay. How many of us are from last step? Oh, okay. Also, right. Last step. Okay. How many of us are from Yabatech here? Yabatech. Okay. 1, 2. Interesting. How many of us are from Unilag? Unilag. 1, 2, 3. 4. Oh, wait. Then how many of us are from which kindergarten start? Last word. Okay. Last word, anyone? FC, anyone? FC. Okay, so I think we have four major schools that we visited for the workshop. Okay, so that's interesting. So we'll be dividing us towards the end of today into groups, we pair us up into groups. And so most of the things we'll be learning, also be doing, while we're learning them personally, we'll be implementing a lot of things as a team. Because that team or that group that will be forming from this group now, it's not going to end here. Just like we explained, I think we explained all the schools. After this group now, the solution, we're going to come up with a solution. We're going to be pairing you up with other organizations that, might also be providing support for whatever idea you are able to come up with. And we're coming up with a competition over the next 6 months, where you are expected to come up with an idea, bring it up to life. And by November or December, we'll be having what we call the Social Impact Tech Week, which will be launching in November or December. We're having a presentation of this, the top best ideas at the competition, and there will be what's it called, the prize gifts. Forget the prize gifts. Yeah, prize money like that. Just don't mind me. They saying you brother, I saw, don't make or understand. So just focus on what I get to learn, right? So they don't price money for winners. So without being said, like I said, we jump in the video and get straight into the introduction to artificial intelligence. And I would like to tell us, let's pay attention. How many of us listen to this? How many of us have a proud knowledge about AI? You have proud knowledge about AI. Let's take the workshop. Let's take the workshop in the school. But like I said, that was just scratching the surface. So let me say this here. Okay. Oh, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 5. Okay. So now let us ask, what kind of knowledge are you okay? How many can I'm trying to just get the knowledge, try to understand the level of knowledge here, so that you will know if there are people here that are ready to develop AI tools that are not supposed to be here. You understand? If parent you're already developing AI platform, brothers and sisters, I can give you a thousand points to give out because the truth is not going to be here. So this is not for people. And if by nature you probably have knowledge, and this you are willing to unlearn, because it's very important. There are a lot of things that you'll be hearing that probably you've not had them before, or you had them before, but you're hearing them in a different manner. It's very, very important. So let's all open our hearts, and be ready to learn. Let's be ready to unlearn so that we can then learn new things. I'll drop this microphone now, but let me tell you this. We have a guy in our team who is I've known him for a very long time, and a very strong guy in computer. And I was having a conversation with him, and looking about AI, and I asked him, do you know prompt engineering? I know AI. And I asked, do you know prompt engineering? And then he was prompt engineering, like, you don't know prompt engineering? And I think if they don't know prompt engineering, there are other 1,000 young people out there who don't know anything about AI. So, and I was really shocked because I know his level of knowledge when it comes to the use of computer. So I was extremely shocked that you know like the basic that you don't know how to go. So now, please let's get to connect so that we can learn new things. So taking us further on the introduction to artificial intelligence, please, ladies and gentlemen, join me to welcome Samuel to Sonia.
Thank you very much. Please, a round of applause for Shimon. Now, I feel like that round of applause is not sufficient. I'm trying to look like I'm dodging you, but it's actually the brain behind all this. The brain. And I remember the story too. I was actually here when we spoke to that young guy, the very thinker, and I was skeptical about this idea. And because I feel that as students, you would without some level of smartness in artificial intelligence. So I dismissed the idea, as 40%. So until we interrogated the young guy, is the guy actually is very sound thinking. So and he responded that he's not aware. He doesn't know what something is. And that actually switched the gear for me and said, very well, let's get this. Let's get this. Because if his capacity to carry how much people, how many people not have that knowledge. So I've come this far up to this point, and you're here. I want to say thank you to everyone. Congratulations to you, because you guys are the demonstration that the idea of mentioned is very it was a purposeful. It was a purposeful. Yeah. And thank you to yourself. My job is to it's the purpose to the introduction to Geo, like
Yes.
so I'm not a I'm not very good with slides, but I feel that on my sheet I should do something with slides. But I might be going over. But see now, we're not, you can click the records and then it will begin to so, but we are something that we don't need to do out of what knowledge about. And we don't have to learn. So we talk about learning and learning. So let us learn. You see, when the conversation about artificial intelligence began, it required a lot of learning and learning. And that was sometime in the 1950s. Around that mid-20th century, 1950s, there were already developments around artificial intelligence. And then the discussion was on the subject of the thinking machine, the machine that was thinking. And mathematicians, scientists, at that time, we are looking at how we develop a machine that is autonomous, that could be able to carry out repetitive tasks, without having to interfere with it. Now, there are quite a lot of inventions of that now, but a lot of concern was drawn around the concept that is being put forth is not actually correlating with the existing development that was taking place. So the question is, if you're saying there is a thinking machine, there is a machine that could be able to mimic and replicate the human intelligence, how come we are not able to get these things? And the likes of John and his friends, their name was speaking, trying to speak their names. I think John McKinsey, was speaking, and we decided that let us call the conference. Let us gather people who have taught faculty like we do, who are interested in this subject. We believe that it is possible for you to have a machine that, having studied the way the human mind works, if we have studied the way the human intelligence functions, we can be able to program a machine that can replicate this. So what human intelligence, then we are going to create a function, then be able to develop a program, and if we have all these programs in place in the machine, then we can be able to achieve what we are considering. So we have that plan and then we call selecting, just select them and then divide them. So that was the agenda. For about 6 to 8 weeks, the agenda is that we are going to find a way of coming to the point where we have a machine, a device that can actually replicate or meet the human intelligence. And now, when artificial intelligence started, and the journey began, and the brain artificial intelligence at that point. And there was a point where challenges came, and the reason was as development was doing and conversation. This same limitation that you see this thing is this can deliver this precise, this result, but yet you are not seeing it. So the limitations came from limited data, the limitation came from insufficient processing power of devices, and also the level of advancement. Now, one of the things that happened in that time is that there were this sort of people who want to unlearn what they know before. And they want to respect their mind to learn something new, something new. And it was actually at this point that the study, academic study of artificial intelligence, because they began to do this research and began to advance this. Now, they've gone this far, and there is a period that is very referred to as the period when AI is the period where the research, the funding for AI dropped. And it dropped because the result was not meeting expectations. A lot of people have high expectations. So you see, what we are actually experiencing today, they saw it after them in the 1956. But they were not able to see it cultivate. They couldn't see these things manifest in their development. There were a lot of limitations. And a lot of funders that funded these projects, they don't retrieve their money. They will not spend it. But after a while again, when much research was going on, there was development of devices, computers with high computing power that could, run programs and run algorithms, at the very fast speed. Then the interest came again and said, let us get back to this speed. That was when the computing. And we have seen it rise from the late 90s into early 2000s up to where we are now. Now, there's quite a lot that gone into AI development. And I said this before you that AI has come to stay. It's more or less like the new normal. Surely everything, virtually everything that is being developed today is being integrated with artificial intelligence. Virtually everything. Almost every application we use in the laptop is find artificial intelligence, virtual assistant integrated. So while Microsoft came up with that, AI on all the products, every other people is the same thing. Meta, the same thing. Even it's integrated. WPS word processing, also the same thing. AI is just it's that become components. It is here to stay. Now, do we all agree that artificial intelligence is like the replica of the human mind? The way it is, in the way we speak, or the way its intelligence is being put to use. That okay, we will consider AI and so how intelligent is AI? We agree that AI is also as intelligent as human beings. Do we agree? I don't want to believe that AI is a living thing. I'm not saying it's a living thing. I want that we just look at the intelligence. The intelligence of AI. Do we say that it is at par? It is like almost like equal with the intelligence of the human being. Right? It is. And in fact, what developers are even doing, scientists are doing, they want AI to be super intelligent than human beings. That is the goal. Of course, it comes with a lot of caution. It might be something that we can say we are afraid of. But I know that in as much as we have been conceived, I know they will achieve it. That's the personal philosophy. Once you can conceive a thing, and then it's something you want to actualize, it's only a matter of time. It's only a matter of time. You will actualize it. They say they say that now that's something that we're trying to we are trying to form that they are not able to do it, but with the advent of AI, within a very short time, they will be able to achieve it. That's science. Even in space exploration, this thing that. So I believe that sometime very soon we'll be able to travel with us. Right? We'll be able to travel with us and return back because of AI. Now, you can think over it. What I'm saying that a lot of things are already happening. Of course, we know that there are devices that are on trust. I'm going to do that. We have devices, we have visuals, exploration is good. When human beings learning the past is possible. By next year, human beings will start going up to the moon. 2025. Human beings start, and AI is actually going to contribute to the speed of the benefits. Now, I decided to go to this extreme. What do you know that even the simpler things that is supposed to be I did see when we had an election in one of the schools. I said, when this thing that happened, you as a person, where you stand in your role is AI revolution. I remember, I think I actually did this in only one in last week. And I said, you are either in one of these. And I said, there I like programming because it helps me to be able to create things that at least we're producing itself, things like that. So I can develop an app and leave it with you, and I'm sure that you'll be able to you just keep using it. And whatever I have programmed that app, it will keep repeating itself, it will keep doing it. That is me for I feel very different. So I'm just a creator, just creating things. And once you create this, something happens. Once you do this, something happens. Once you do this, something happens. But I want to go beyond, I'm going beyond that point now, where you can just do instructions and then several things can happen. But every time we do it, oh, so let me go to my we all understand that this is oh, so we'll look at what is artificial intelligence, spoken about intelligence, how it and as well as how artificial intelligence what policy and applications, the impact and good governance, the responsible use of artificial intelligence. So let's get started. What is artificial intelligence? So this is what we explain all these ones. Artificial intelligence has to be intelligence that what we need for human cognition function, human cognitive ability. Now, humans are intelligent people. So what is to create a machine that will repeat that will replicate or that will repeat any you want to repeat. That would be the long term goal. That would limit the human intelligence. Is what it is. Now, I did something I decided to ask artificial intelligence itself, AI. Yeah, this is what AI said. Now, AI said, now, I have AI to explain it. So, AI said, it says AI is like having a watch of robot. My intention was to the intention of AI, tell me about AI. It's not too late it's simply for what to observe. And since AI is a family watch of global companies, at first you have to show them everything that this is the cat, or this is the cat, this is not the cat. But the cool part is that they get super good at it, knowing that they are making it. When you tell them this is this, and this is not this. So they start recognizing cars, recognizing jobs, and even that creativity. It's like having little brainy helpers that learn and make our gadgets all sorts of smart. Was with a touch of silicon. All right. So when you say like magic or with a touch of silicon, silicon is a material that is very well in the tech world. So almost everything we use has silicon. Right. So when you say become all the is right there. We learn that this is that. This is not this, this is not.
Stop.
All right, so now the scope of AI. Now, AI, the scope of AI is in various directions, quite a lot of things. Number one, is pattern recognition. AI, recognizes pattern. And that is one of the ways it learns. It learns by trying to recognize the pattern of different things, the pattern of different items, the pattern of different material, the pattern of different data. Now, by pattern recognition, it is able to do some of these incredible things that we see. So pattern recognition is one of the things that AI is known on a very large level to be able to do. Now, number two is natural language understanding. So AI is developed to be able to understand natural language. Now, many of us are interacting with AI, so we understand that just by repeating the statement in English, you're able to get correct. But in the background, it's not, there's more to just what you are actually fighting and the cost to get that will take quite a lot of processing takes place. But the fact that it can, we can attribute our understanding of natural language to
Recording in progress.
about natural AI. And also the benefits that AI such that we can have AI we cannot be offered or presented to anybody, no matter what no matter whether they know what they are taking, no matter whether they understand programming or they understand how to develop applications and all of that. But the fact that just with their own natural language, they can interact with what algorithms, complex processes that computing is all about. Now, if you were to but I'm trying to how do you get illustration? That is not it's not going to be very likely. It feels very different. But let me try to explain. Because of the country engineering person. So in a workshop, you will always have a lot of machines in the country workshop. Now there is a machine called a mix machine. It is a kind of machine that is a factory in order to fabricate the products. For example, if the bottle is to be like a plastic bottle, so we make it a machine to create what we call the mold. We use a mix machine to do the mold. Now, there is a type of mix machine called a CNC. Computer local CNC machine. Now, if you want to use a CNC machine, you need to impute codes that the machine understands. And those codes is a special language that we need to learn. We need to learn the code in order to be able to. So that's so if you want to, no matter how intricate that bottle is, you can just program the code into the machine and then you leave the machine and the machine will carry out all the work. Most of the time, some of these machines have different tools that they use. In that code, you have already indicated that this is the when you cut this part, change to this tool, cut this other part, and it's able to do that. But now, if AI is created, with your natural language understanding that AI, you can just prepare. So all the process of having to learn those special codes, all of that is very difficult. So with AI, you can just instruct the machine to carry out the design. Well, I'm trying to do the education but we well, I said that in order to part of the things that I think here is natural language. So we can so the is to make sure that we can receive natural language in order to initiate the process. Then you know that the place to go will stay out. Yes, okay, I'm coming up with a solution. I want to solution is that anybody will be able to make it from it. It's just instructing or giving an instruction. We are not language. Alright, so that's the natural language understanding. So another is problem, some problems. Because of the way a lot of technologies involved there, problem solving has become more of a needs with AI. So there are some problems that will take quite a long time to solve. And if I give an example about the statistics created for things. These problems are used for experimenting goals. Or so sometimes we need samples. If we need samples of the kind of a part of the body, we need samples of the protein and what we do replicate samples. And be able to reproduce them, then carry out an experiment on them in order to come up with the results, in order to come up with the solution around the solution. And this goes in the company with the samples. Now, how are you able to be able to create multiple samples? You can't kill a human being in order to get the part of the body or the part of the blood to get so many samples. For example, we are aware that microphone about close to 1,000 failed experiments before eventually people will decide. You see, microphone or anything. So over 1,000 now, we needed quite a lot of samples, quite a lot. We needed to get the materials together and what that would help me to get the material. What was covered so we needed to discover but it's expensive because there are materials and resources that are using of. So with AI, in science, you can use AI to recreate samples for experiment, repeated experiment, so that you can be able to get the result. Now, so when it comes to solving problems, you are able to achieve that easily with artificial intelligence because you are able to create even if the mathematics, we have complex problems that you will be able to solve using an artificial intelligence in a very short time. Yeah, computer vision. Now, AI is equipped with some sort of replica of human senses and vision. And because AI is needed to be intelligent in something that can mimic human intelligence, then it must be able to have the needs of the computer. All right, so and that's one of the things that neural network helps us with. And because we're able to recognition, speech recognition, visual recognition, is these are things that we're able to attribute to AI. So now we can be able to have a human dog that is being created and there are quite a number of them that have the capacity to cannot be cheated. So the way we are listening to them, we can bring a human dog forward to go and deliver election, to go and deliver implementation. And human dog can be able to do eye contact with you and they will time to show. After the class, you will find no one-on-one interaction. The one
use.
interact and give yourself power. Maybe several of you are working council left their distance. Without this, you remember the job by the private office. Alright, so we have so visual computer vision that actually makes AI really good. Because now when we look at AI, they are trying to be able to do that now, implementation is not AI as even as assistant, founder, in the offices, we can have AI, especially robots, that would be able to think of this kind of recognize this.
Recording in progress.
And how would that be without computer vision? Decision making of decision. Now, decision making has become very, it has become very part of our lives where we find a lot of information to make that decision. And probably I have a lot of data that we make this, we have a lot of data available to you. It's able to make a decision that is even more precise than a human being. Because if you for every decision you make,
Recording in progress.
based on the information you have available. For every decision you make, you are making that decision based on the information. And it is the intention that is being to which you are able to teach together the information here. That is the complete mission of creating decision. So, if I have a very large amount of data, it is also able to make decisions based on the information that we're able to develop to it. Now, I said that decision making is also even as that used for what you call it. They are using customer service. Also use I think there's also an AI that is set to make the decision, the robot decision, in order to make a clear decision. Now, so what we expect that
Recording in progress.
AI is able to make decisions that are necessary. So we expect the CEO to be able to give this, right? I mean that you cannot employ you cannot employ skill in your education, and you be expected to affect the decision. Right now, so this is the part of artificial intelligence. Right. So it's a part of artificial intelligence that is well recognized and part of things about that also makes AI very useful when it comes to making decisions. Autonomous systems are also part of artificial intelligence. And it's saying that we're able to develop products, develop platforms, develop machines that do not need human intervention. Well, the one thing is that everybody will work at once when you can't find a driver. And the driver is able to take everybody to their destination, stop at everyone's stop, yet everyone is their lives. Follow traffic rules, stop at the red light, move at the green light, stop for pedestrian to cross. Everything cases, everything you have to do with what driving away. You have to have a minimum people. Now you have to do that. Alright, so does that look far-fetched? Does it look sound far-fetched? Okay, so for this actually already existing technologies.
Recording in progress.
In essence, AI tries to imbue or infuse the field with the ability to learn experiences. Adapt to changes in execute tasks, additionally, the simplification of the mission and the keys to human intelligence. And that's the nice everything. I need to move forward with the slide 22. But now, let's look at the type of people. First, who are the people? The type of people. Okay, yeah, yes.
Recording in progress. Recording in progress.
Alright. Now, just now when you actually go around. Now we have two types of data. We have download data as well as digital data. Now, when I do these types of data, we actually use for the application based on this.
Recording in progress.
We will try to put analysis to learn. To learn means that we just for a specific purpose. Okay, now look at the examples that are here. Image and facial recognition. Alright, now AI that is developed for image and facial recognition. That you can see the object kind of present the languages. So the same thing you have for speech recognition, you have speech recognition, you have chat codes, self-driving vehicles. I talked about self-driving vehicles. Spam email filters, predicting your data, typing and features. All these, your chat GPT, your all narrow or weak data. Now the fact that
Recording in progress.
Does not mean that
Recording in progress.
Or the other. No, it's actually the third narrow is actually how to use the extents of application. I think the word narrow we just help understand that is what which is just narrowed to a specific function. Now, if that, I remember someone telling me a self-driving people is able to see, is able to do a lot of things. There's a lot of things involved. That's why it is still a narrow area. And my response is this: the moment the AI model that is powering that the moment we can take that same model and we can apply it towards maybe space exploration. For example, we can apply it towards medical study. Because there are AI that will to assist doctors in medical study. Now, once we can be able to apply that same model in those different fields, then it goes beyond just the So that model will remain a model for what? For a self-driving vehicle. And we cannot get that from model. So it's just data sets and all its algorithm, everything is what focused on just to self-driving vehicle. And that is the application. So if, for example, you want to develop products or you want to develop a solution, and you are going to be looking at your GPT, for example, that every of you that actually has, if you have an account with OpenAI, with which you will challenge, if you have an account, every one of you have tokens that with which you are using in order to interact with ChatGPT. With that token, you can be also integrate ChatGPT into whatever solution you are. So you can actually plug into GPT's API because with your account. So I can use my solution when develop a solution. I just need to get from my account, get some codes that will make me use GPT that is powering ChatGPT and use it to make my own solution. And that is the way you see, that is the reason why you see quite a lot of solutions or a lot of platforms and tools that are used. We see that they are, we just really a very short time, they're able to do and in fact, when they develop their own, what they do is they are probably into GPT. They are not plugging into, and that's how they're able to. So, whatever it is you can achieve with GPT, you can't do anything other than that with what we have solution. You can't use the solution to create, for example, GPT is would only create text. It cannot generate images. If whatever solution that you bring in or your quality to cannot begin to generate images because you want one solution. So that's big area. Now the second one is the strong AI. Now strong identical general one. Strong AI is at this point is still an idea. And like the illustration I did, was having a model that's confused to look for the self-driving code and having that same model to for maybe something in the medical field. That would now be going to general problem. There's still quite a lot of developments, research going into this. There is need for very highly cooperative power devices in order to do research. A lot of organizations, this organization, they actually waste to be able to come up with something. And I think one of the types of AI that we're looking at, the strong AI, is the general and so that's so we say for a broad spectrum of activities, that's what we see for a very broad spectrum of activities. So we aim to replicate the breadth of human intelligence, maybe for much more applications than just one single application. So we the type of AI and then move on. The next one is it's over to the next, and that is how we are working. So this is just concept about AI. We have machine learning, natural language processing, and computation. I already spoke about computation. I spoke about natural language processing. When you see these four parts are very, very essential parts of the work itself of AI. And machine learning talks about computer learning by itself, teaching computers in such a way that they learn by itself. So you are able to, the definition of the game for artificial intelligence. That's AI itself. We are told that after AI agents, when we see when we show AI capacity, when we show AI capacity, when we also show AI what is not the task, then it's able to be machine and learn the analysis. So machine learning that is learning from its experiences. Now, deep learning, this is the type of machine learning that is inspired by how the brain works. And this is where neural networks come to play. Where there are multiple layers, of processes taking place in such a way that they can information can be retrieved and processed, irrespective of how complex such information are. Now, GPT. Now, we are familiar with GPT. So, what GPT? GPT is generative retraining transfer and the type of natural language processing. Now, here I say that it is it's a popular in the world of language models. GPT, for example, has a massive 405 billion parameters. And that was game changer because it was when ChatGPT was actually used, it was related GPT 3.5. Actually, but not today. Those who had access to GPT were using it. And then GPT 3.5 came and actually changed the way that they changed the section. Everyone is everyone has taken changing the 3.5 to the model. So, AI created a platform or a solution called ChatGPT. Actually, that ChatGPT is powered by the model called generative retraining transfer. We just that way of making sure this changes is very sharp. So, ChatGPT is more is like the chatbot. And it is powered by GPT. So it's capable of understanding human language and responding effectively to the prompts that is being input. All right, so let me begin to conclude. Let me to the next one. Or applications of AI. Now, these are just examples of fields where AI is applicable. Now, I said that AI is actually disrupting everything. Now, everyone will give a cross section of students from different faculties and departments. And there is no field that AI is the law of security and cultural communication, communication, finance, marketing, media, healthcare. Now, I'm going to target the marketing campaign is exactly that I know about because of the need of AI. So, marketing is very possible. The law of marketing, I have a lot of things that when about the social media when the social media platforms very lonely. Now, I heard that TikTok is actually an advertising platform. Many people use social media, that's socializing, socializing. But you have to know or ask those who manage TikTok is an advertising plan. It's not to them, it's not a social development. Like it's you that is using the idea that it's a social development. So what do you think? For as long as you already come to TikTok, you have learned about you. As long as you are uploading on TikTok, you are giving them data about you. And this data is said and it's easy for them to know what's preference. So I can be able to tell that by this time of the year, every year, this is the kind of place to go to because any time you already take a picture that you went for information. And I said what the time, so I know that okay, by this time in 2 months that this person is already going to this. So let me start sending the marketing campaign for things that this person needs. You need a new street, you need a new dress, you need a new this. And I start sending the marketing campaign. All of a sudden, you don't discover that you are thinking about where you are traveling to, and you need a new street. And then go online, and the next thing you see that she is popular, then you know. Because they have access to it. So all things are all right. So that's the application of AI. And I think this should be the last part. So the AI impact. Now, so in today's internet, the index of AI is what is and everybody is accepting it. So from virtual assistants, please just tell me people. For virtual assistant, there are communication systems, everything that we said, and the different things. We have AI touching our world. So we see that AI is influencing our influence. So the innovation that every sphere of life and everything is expressed. Now, in many use of AI, this tool is about. Now, AI actually has its own, there are any conditions that you want to do. And in using AI, and I remember doing the workshop, I mentioned this before. You are not going to things for the AI as one of the things you are thinking about what AI will turn out into. It's not because of AI itself, it's because of those who are making use of AI. If I'm afraid about AI, it's actually the fact that someone will need more of AI into an artificial man. But instead, you are going to learn about so how because then I not sure they are afraid about what AI will turn out into. So it's very important that we also include in our conversations about transparency, accountability, the potential societal impact of that AI. And I would conclude and say that we need to balance education with ethical considerations. This is crucial for to address the full potential that AI provides. Thank you very much.
It's really good for us to start thinking of, it is impossible for whatever it is possible. If anyone is building a house now, this building that we are in right now, imagine that this building does not have a foundation. I'm sure that you have last set to use that, but to have last. So the session does have this session where we have to where people understanding the concept, understanding what AI is, fundamentals and everything. Now we'll be progressing to the next one on the agenda. I just want to have questions, right? But for the time, we're not having time, so we'll not take questions now. I have been done take all the questions together. So you can please put your questions down. So the next thing on our agenda is we'll be going to one interesting conversation, which personally I'm also always interested, in learning about, and which is generative AI. The question, that might be, you might have to ask ourselves is, what do I do with generative AI? What is it all about? How do I get to use it? What's importance is it and all that? So I won't be answering those questions because we have one of our facilitators here also today who will be taking us through generative AI, which is no other person than Shannon Favor Products. I'm also like the last guy I'm very familiar. But this is not really better. She is the cyber defense analyst. Please.
I don't like this. Sound like church. I'm not sure. Let me try. Good morning, welcome. It's nice to meet you.
I think I'll let you transfer.
My name is Jasmine. Okay, I'm a cyber defense analyst. It means I work in I work in cybersecurity. And today, I'm not going to talk about cybersecurity. Talk about that. But today we're going to talk about generative AI. And the last speaker, I love the presentation. Even the presentation started. Now, what am I doing? We are all good. Please let's start. I don't know. So we're just going to do something special. What do you want to write? What exactly are you writing? It's seriously be a lot. Come on. I beg, that's too young for this serious. And then these, we don't do serious. Let's go. So I'm going to do awake sorry. I'm awake enthusiastic. I'm like awake alert. I like awake. So it's alive, awake, alert. So when you're coming up with alert, awake, alive. So let's go. I'm alive, awake, alert, enthusiastic. I'm alive, awake, alert, enthusiastic. I'm alive, awake, alert. Alive, awake, alert. Alive, awake, alert, enthusiastic. So let's take it again. A lot faster. Let's go. I'm alive, awake, alert, enthusiastic. I'm alive, awake, alert, enthusiastic. I'm alive, awake, alert. I'm awake, alert. I'm awake, I don't know what all of you. Okay. So this is talking about something that we use a lot, even if we don't know what the names are. Generative AI is something that over the years, well, I would say over the years, it hasn't been so long, but we've been using it for a while now. And it's really, really interesting. A lot of us will do our job next more. A lot of us, a lot of I see you let's get that application. A lot of us don't get it anymore. And when I say a lot of us, sometimes I have to pause and tell myself, this thing you just did, you don't know anything about. I submitted a report and well, and if I show you the what they call it, comments, the person and wow, okay. Yeah, I don't just think study and say, well, I will not be able to tell. I'm struggling to share that. So, the future of content creation and deployment. Just to have a match between the former class and right now, what is AI? When you get the term AI, what comes to mind? Sorry, I hope I'm not recording anything that you need in mind. Do you need it? I could use it.
Maybe just.
Okay. What is AI? When you get the term AI, what comes to mind for you? Gen Z. What is AI? With your hands, smashing gold. What is it? I'm very smashing. Oh, machine. I'm very smashing. Smashing. Okay, machine. Okay, what form of machine? Computer machine. So this is AI. This is AI. Let's start. AI is an acronym, yeah? What does the acronym AI means? Artificial intelligence. So when you hear the term artificial intelligence, what comes to your mind? Where's the format? Who taught you just no? Who taught you just no? If I tell you that the math here has spoken, I don't remember anything. I think not every what artificial intelligence is. I didn't get that. Okay, I said you stand up everything you. Okay, thank you. Intelligence that mimics human activities. Okay, any more? Yes. All technologies. Okay, thank you. Any other one? What is artificial intelligence? You know you can break it. Artificial intelligence. Thank you.
I'll just say it's machine imitating human intelligence.
So yes, it is machine imitating human intelligence. The word artificial, it means it is not original. It is a man-made machine, yeah, and trying to act or trying to think or trying to do, trying to behave or trying to talk, trying to basically mimic a human being. Artificial intelligence. So you think of a machine, think of a computer system, think of something that was built by a human being that tries to mimic. That is AI, artificial intelligence. Yeah? Okay, moving forward. So when we talk about generative AI, from the word now, let's combine it. We have spoken about AI or artificial intelligence, a machine that aims to mimic human being. What then? When you hear the word generative AI, what would likely come to your head? I think that's innovation, okay? Okay, a machine that generates what a human wants it to generate. From my topic, you can be thinking, what's this generative? To create what? To create content.
There's already, it's there already to create content. So, thank you very much for that. This morning, we are going to be introducing ourselves, which we have for generative AI, the advanced applications in modeling, regulatory compliance in AI. So, while the teacher was talking, we spoke about something around compliance, and I was like, oh my God, there's a problem. And then practical applications. So, this presentation will delve into the exciting world of generative AI. We'll explore its core concepts, modeling, the evolving landscape of regulatory compliance. So, the word work, permits me, please. I don't know English very well. To begin with, I'm a northerner. I don't know if it showed in my face. Well, I am a northerner. I am the typical girl you guys call house girl. I am who you people call house girl. So, you know, you used to always think that northerners don't know how to speak English. I am here to convince you. I'm not convinced you that it's true. But today, I don't know how to speak English. So please don't judge me. And uncover a range of practical use cases that are transforming our world. Generative AI is not just about creating art, it is a powerful technology with the potential to revolutionize various industries. So when we think about AI, you cannot but pause to think, where are we going? When you think about AI, you just have to get to the point where, yeah, I think I was reading the news today. No, let me know that it was not today, it was yesterday. Yeah. I came from that shift. There was no one that was reading the news. So yesterday, I was reading the news and then my shift actually, so it was in the midnight. I was reading something around how my job as a soccer analyst, AI are trained to do this. My heart skipped a bit. And I was like, okay, what happens to me in the next 5 years? I don't know if you just have to think about that. With the whole AI saga going on, AI taking over this field, or AI being into this field. You know, it's crazy when I was teaching a class and somebody said that there's this hotel that was built and AIs are the one waiting on people. So a robot comes and meets, hello, what do you want to eat today? This is wow, so what happened to the leaders in the hotel? What do you think? What did you think? They wait. They wait for what? Okay, they wait for the work to finish or what? What do you think would happen? To hear most of them all. We're going to talk about that more later. Who has seen The Good Doctor as a movie? The Good Doctor, you've seen it. It's a movie that I'm presently watching and I'm in love with it. It is one reason why I have not been studying so much. So there's this part in the movie where they needed to carry out a surgery on a human heart. And then Dr. Murphy and Dr. Melendez, and Andrews, one of them, they went into that surgery using virtual, what do you call it? Virtual reality, thank you. And they were trying, and if I'm not medical student, so I think there was something they needed to try and use numbers. So they were trying to put 12, and then it didn't work. They tried 14, it didn't work. They kept trying. And then I was watching it. I was watching the movie, and I knew what the movie was about. Yeah, they were trying to try this surgery before going to actually operate on the real human. But what I was thinking in my head is, oh my God, what is happening? It just means that unlike before, the doctors do a lot of trial and error, there's now where they can operate without really operating. How do you get me? And you get that? Like a virtual world. And in that virtual world, they were communicating and trying things together. So everybody has a surgical instrument and okay, let's cut it here, let's open it here, let's it won't work. The heart you can flat line like the person is going to die. Oh no, this will kill the person. No. So when I watch things like that, I think it has now. I'm like, in this community, I'm really confused. There's a problem. Now AI takes over my job, what happens? We have to talk about the fact that we have a system that if care is not taken, I won't continue that conversation. So, what then is generative AI? They are basically a type of artificial intelligence that creates entirely new content. So when you think of generative AI, think of a machine that can help you generate content independently. So close your eyes. Yes. And now you not close your eyes and shook my hands. Close your eyes. So that you do not have to, you just have to ask simple questions. You just have to be prompts. Without you doing so much, I do not have to provide a text. I have to provide a speech to this machine. It would just help me do the job. What machine is coming to here? Somebody's name personal. Okay. Somebody said something. ChatGPT, mental AI, I think that's that. Gemini, which one is it? With carry to come by you. Mary Bao. That's me. Wow. Okay. That's Melly. Spell with Melly. Like Melly. Yes. Why would I know you call her That's Melly? No, wait now. So Melly is the movie. Yes. And the pronunciation is spelling you're calling. Why you cannot call you Get Melly?
That is the platform where you are.
Oh, I understand. Okay. Melly is a name we all know. Someone watched that movie, yeah? And that would be the pronounced name of what? Melly. Hey, when I come to word, when you spell that same thing. Now they call her Melly. Let me make it better. Well, I was expecting you to spell it different things, to be honest. I don't even know the thing. But when you said that, okay, why do you call her Get Melly? Okay, thank you. Another one. Huh? Cloud. Cloud is another AI. Generative AI. What is generating? What does it generate? Just like that. Okay. Which other one? Bing. Okay, Bing has a particular generative AI. What's the name? Copilot, yes. Yes, Copilot, yes. Thank you. So think about a generative AI that produces text-based content, image-based content, audio-based content, video-based content. You know, most of these things you guys call are text-based content using generative AI. So think about all these AIs. These are all we're going to be talking about. And to be honest, with the user, who have never used any of these tools before? Wow. No, I said any. Like you never use, these are all these ones we call. You never used them before. What did you use them for? What did you use them for? Wow. You know, how did you use the AI for Expo? Because I can't do it. It's crime. What is the crime? So they are trained on massive data set of text, they are trained on massive data set of text, code, images, or audio, allowing them to learn patterns and relationships within the data. So your previous teacher had spoken about how these tools make use of data sets. And some of the times we forget that they use data sets and we provide really personal information. Because some of us don't understand that these machines train themselves with the data that we are feeding them. So I was reading this morning, and I'm thinking about it, I'm a good student. I was reading this morning that the European regulators are stopping co-pilots, Meta AI, from moving forward environments. Why? Because they are allowing them to use their data sets. He said, no, it is a breach of privacy. So now Meta AI is coming with them that, okay, as long as it is in your environment, we are not using your data. We can use the whole world's data. But when it comes to the Europe, we do not use their data because you don't understand how much information they feed up to. TikTok as an organization 2-3 years ago, people had content, and the content was that TikTok could sell your data to a third-party company. This is what I mean. So you are TikTok, she is Facebook. I am feeding my data to TikTok. That their long terms and conditions, they stated that if Facebook comes and meets them and say we want data for this person, they could sell it to Facebook. And we said yes, I agree. So it means that if you go and commit a crime and they're looking for you, TikTok can sell your iris information, your voice information, not the voice in the TikTok. Tell me, you don't do videos. You think it doesn't capture these videos? They lie yourself. So they would sell it off. The question now is, are you sure what they are selling it to? What do they want to do? I don't understand. So regulators have come to say, oh, when it comes to our data, we're not giving it to you. So European regulators said you cannot use our data set for training. Once trained, these models can generate new realistic content that resembles the data they were trained on. So feed data to them, they train, and then produce data that is similar. So now we talk to ChatGPT like you're talking to a human being. So people actually name their ChatGPT. Yes, I saw that people talk to them because they are just like friends, you know. You can just I'm naming you Josh and hey Josh, have a project. I love ChatGPT. So personally, as a software analyst, sometimes I work with malwares. Like I think within the week, Thursday, I'm doing malware analysis, and then I just put it on ChatGPT. I needed to draft out a storyline for me. I have this malware analysis I have done, but the storyline is just not fitting in my head. I need to do it for you. And then you have ideas, and you don't think that these ideas are feasible. Like, I'm not sure this idea is going to work. You could just chat it up. Hey, I have an idea. I have done it. Hey, I have an idea. I say, oh, share. Let me see how I can help you. You know, like you're talking to a friend, and then you share that this is my thought, this is my idea, but I am not so sure if it will work in just so part of the country or in this part of the world, and tell you, okay, this is what you need, this is how you need it. And I think if you modify it this way, that will work in Nigeria or it will work in Lagos. and these things are just in prompts. So they create content to you based on prompts. They create content to you based on simple, very, very simple prompts that you reach it. Please tell me you're understanding what I'm saying. Okay. I think people writing and copying the slides. I don't think they're very good students doing that. When you understand, you simply will just judge what you believe that you don't remember what you were saying. But when you copy the slides, garbage in, garbage out. Once you're out of this book, you don't remember what I said because you were writing. So I don't think I have a lot. I didn't even, but that's nine because I don't like long slides and I don't like long talks. So I'll try my best to make it very short. So it is possible for you to retain better. So I don't think you have to struggle with writing a lot. Try key points, right? Good and fine, but you don't need to write the slides. It's not that serious. So advanced applications in modeling. I had spoken about one application of AI in modeling, advanced application of AI. So talking about doctors, tell me what other maybe movies have you seen? Because sometimes I wonder, has AI really entered Nigeria? Because I see other things happening in other countries, but it seems like we are underneath the rock. I don't know. That's what I feel. So first, I'll ask, do you think we really are using AI in Nigeria, like maximizing, forget about like usually experience? Not that one, like using AI legally. Do you think that? I don't think so. So what other ways have you seen AI being used that you think we are not using it yet? Okay. Sciences and serious. Well done. Okay, so she's saying in quantum science, we don't use it. We don't really apply AI. Okay, what other cases do you think would not use AI? Even in the class, how do you think you could use AI better? Not all lecturers know, yes. Yeah. So what you're saying is lecturers are accepting it. Okay. Was that a paper exams? Yes. So how did the person use AI? The person cheated. He speak the English, but he used AI to ask the question. How did you use AI? Okay. Okay, talk about this. Okay. Any other aspects? So we feel like the older generation have a claim against AI. Even with numbers and statistics. That is why I said, even with statistics and numbers. Okay, any other one? Yes. Security, okay. So you think, okay, we are not maximizing AI when it comes to that. Okay, thank you. We solve problems in the country. Okay, thank you very much. So, quantum science, I don't know a lot about that field, so I'm not allowed to say stuff, I can't say stuff about it. But I agree that when it comes to science, we are not Nigeria. Because tell me why you go to a hospital and still looking for your medical, what do you call it, paper. I think restricted every time. Even public hospital. When my mom died, I didn't know her death certificate. Then I started looking for her medical file in the hospital. I was even looking at them now because I was speaking face. And I know God. The woman sat at her feet. She read it, she was right. In my head, I said, this was just you just what's the name of the person? You have brought up the daughter, you have seen the doctor, you have done what you want to do. After looking for it, say, you have to open another file for that person. So what would you do? Same thing I went to them as result in school. I graduated in like 2018. I think I'm there 2022 or 21. And you know, every set of students, they do registration, they have thousands of them. To be honest, I did not even open file in that school. That is the basic thing. So, but yeah, many people talk say no open file because they've been solving. You know, those people that do records. When I was going to school, they are very angry. So I did it, and I told the man that me, I'm trying to be clear and he needs to give me a file. Me, I need that file to do. And in my head, I'm like, should put in our computer. People don't tell me, you did not open your file. People don't swear for my papa. But he had to come back and was telling me, sorry, I don't see your file. You have to go and copy all those documents and bring them. I said, no problem. I don't have time of you. But then, a year or two afterwards, that got a job in that school. And then we're just saying, and then he said, there used to work in that record, they used to try because people used to search. You know, that's why people get really good money that wants to do sweat for you. So people, you are not making their lives easy. This is a thing that you should naturally not struggle. But we are struggling. Like as simple as getting our data on the internet is a struggle. Even though you deep AI, just get it on the internet. Let it be that if I'm moving from this one to the house, I can tell the doctor, please send my medical report to the other doctor. And then talking about schools, we are even a point student to come read AI and do it. This is what I'm saying, garbage out. You did not understand to begin with. The idea is, I gave you a textbook. And for you to go to AI, you did not understand the textbook. And when you go to AI, I would expect you to tell AI, please summarize this, make this easier to understand. Make it seem like you're talking to a 5-year-old. There are not, you never use that word. Just what is good at they explain food as a 5-year-old artifact. And would bring it really points to explain food. But now you are almost that and you understand. Why are we giving lecturer AI? These lecturers, a lot of them are aged, they do not even use these AIs. They don't believe in using these AIs. They don't know how to use it. So, of course, when you bring it to them, it's an insult to them. What do you take them for? So, I don't know. There are better ways of incorporating AI into education. For instance, some of us go to ChatGPT and give it our assignments. Do you remember to ask ChatGPT to give you citations and references? Somebody's raising the hand. You know? Like, we're thieves. You don't know about plagiarism. We're thieves. I mean, is it that AI is it not using data sets? What are the data sets? Most likely textbooks have been uploaded online. So if you copy from textbook and give it to you and you submit it as a work, wow, it's thief. Plagiarism is there. It was? It does not. It's not that serious. Even people that went to school in Nigeria, who are not. Presently, I'm pursuing my degree in an American university online. The way they send you email that you did plagiarism, and they will tell you this is your first count, and your third count you're out of school. Now, I would have shown the everyone that the person I was getting. I knew that they had a rule against it, but I don't even know how I did that. But then when I got to him, I had a so the first count, we are going to take that assignment. The lecturer is going to be using the assignment. The second count, we are going to fill that course. The third count, we are giving the school. Yeah? Everything has gone. And you're teaching for never. So when you ask questions, ask for citations and references. I actually think that genuinely that as Nigerians we don't use a lot of references. We don't. But ideally, when you collect information from somewhere, you should cite it and reference it. So ask for citations. I don't think that ChatGPT does a good job when it comes to citations and references, but Gemini does a good job, and Copilot does a very fine job. So tell him, I want you to cite and reference this word in an APA format. Your book is even when you read it and reach the citation, so you think that as students, we are not doing a good job. I don't even understand. As young students, we are not doing a good job. Not talking about lecturers. Of course, they're going to, again, like, why no every year? Like, okay, this work that you did, come and defend it. You can't. But if there's a reference, the lecturer will naturally believe that you meant to like to do your work. What a reference is saying is that if you go and check that. But what if the person has the access to that person and you see what you do, but then you do not say that this person did it? It's the same thing when people's posts online and you don't give credit. You call it credit online, but it is reference when it comes to text. You don't give credit for. They can drag you. You know that on the net, you copy somebody's content and you know say, oh, it was from social person. They drag you. So what do you do when it comes to schoolwork? And you expect the lecturer not to have a problem. That's wrong, you know. And the funny thing is that we don't even use to paraphrase. Copy. And with time, our internet is reducing. Our internet is reducing a lot. Like, we are not doing as good as we used to. Before, we go to the library, study, crack our head, So we don't do that anymore. The one who is happy. Easy. And then I don't know what to speak about again. I had a problem with doctors too. So I'm not going to say go and carry the water and work with everything. But I called to you and I had a condition. And it's simple for you to just go on the internet and browse about that condition. And then I'm telling you, just relatively new. I don't know anything about it. Because it means you are not growing. You think I did not say she. So don't go ask. Wait for every great consent. Because you think how good to work. Climate modeling, sorry. The AI can create more accurate simulations. So now you can simulate. Simulation means you are creating a scenario that looks like the original. So you can simulate now and predict that social thing can happen. And simulations are good because it helps you to see it's okay, it's just like the movie I was just saying about, that was a simulation. They are simulating that we are solving wrong, we are doing this. Okay, if it goes wrong, this is what will happen. From your simulation, you know how you are. From your simulation, you know that's the where you do questions and answers with our friends, and we ask them, ask the question. That is a simulation of exams. Because by the time you pay 5 to 6%, tell yourself that I'm not ready for this exam, so go and read more. So generative AI has helped with simulating. And for me, generative AI also helps me with what's the word? With how you can simulate. So say you want to simulate that, okay, you simulate a surgery, and everything. You can tell me what you need available to simulate what you want to simulate. You need a table, you need social thing, you need social thing. It would help you with that. You know, even with creating movie content, I don't think that you need to struggle so much. So now you can just go and say, I want to create a 1 minute movie or 1 minute script or anything. Give me the plot. I want it to be a Nigerian setting, Lagos setting, social streets. I want it to be about this topic. Another interesting thing about using AI is that you can put in very beautiful prompts, like as much prompt as you want, as much as it can give you the result you want. So you can keep bending it. Oh, thank you very much for this, but I want you to give me about, include this in your response, include that in your response, and keep giving you the response. Please confirm you understand what I'm saying. Question? You want to ask a question? You. I thought you were raising your hand.
All right, sorry. So sorry to break the translation. Please, what's it called? Our attendance is going on right now. Kindly write your name in block letter. Please, no of you, the way you write in calligraphic manner. Please, that's how anybody is seeing to know your A is your A, your T is T. So that by the time they are typing your name, because by the time you want to use your certificate, the person is writing now to be calling and saying, so please, I can see some people already writing Italian, English. Write it in block. In fact, we have each of them. This is A, and your G and your C are connected together. Please.
You say you don't want to do deco. Don't do deco on your writing. Okay, so I don't know, do we talk about something else, like where we have no computer and AI? Business, thank you. So, like I said, you can simulate. So, you want to go to an woman's space and definitely that can sell very well in the north. You can buy 10 jerrycans today and sell sell 6 today tomorrow and sell 4 the next day and come back and you can ask AI, give me statistics or give me names of people that have done it before. Give me areas where oil is being bought in other areas. So when you go and meet him, you tell him that, okay, so in anywhere in this market, their oil is 30K. But in Kaduna, in supermarkets, today like this, their oil is 50K. And as I check out from Kaduna, transport for EJ and 5K to the transport for 35K. If you sell out for 50K now, your extra now 15K for each color. If you buy gold here, how much is your gain? 150. If you don't come back, if you sell out that same day or in 2 days, you say for 2 days you don't make 150K. If you come back, run out in 1 week, run out twice all the time, you could not make, let's say 300 profit. Bring the woman to market. How would you argue? You have simulated something. You show this level, that is. You can think about it and, in fact, you can even see the red of traveling already. Yes, because the are enjoying thinking from supermarket to supermarket. Very carry anti-minors. And you know that worst case, you go to this is the tell me that Jerry can have a can 7K. You would think 50K per 50K comments inside 20K and immediately want to get 1 He's already doing the math because you came with numbers. You came with names of cases. You are already creating possibility. That's why to be statistics and numbers. Now, it's not the person is against prosperity. Yes, now. In fact, I used the negative to put a video that was traveling to Spain and selling it. And let me see him argue. Yes, look. Okay, see now, this guy, look, no, I carry red from there. See, one day I don't have again, don't come back now. To say that now, he will not have to tell you. It's AI video, but he is not inside the AI. And it's not no. See now, see the amount of money. And you are saying you don't think that he's using money as he's talking to you. Because why am I not doing it already? So when you are bringing a new idea to someone, you just have to make it, he has to see himself in it. Just like the lecturers. The lecturers have to see how important it is to them. I was teaching lecturers on which university already, and I was telling them that unlike before when you have to write, I'm a trained teacher. I went to college of education. So unlike before we have to do lesson notes, lesson plans. Now I showed them the open copilot. Give me a lesson plan for session 1 agricultural science students, SS1 for first term. Wow! Even wow! Because if they carry this and the thing, I couldn't give you reference. Show me textbook. So when you know this problem, you know how to person, you see it. But now it is the lesson plan. To tell me first week, this is what you teach, second week, this is what you teach, and this is how you will teach it. And then say, give me a teaching aid, bring the whole to the class, show the student this. How will the lecturer see that and see how you teach? They're already saying that, this is very, very nice. Even you that are thinking about their liking it, even though you do things, but you're thinking about how you can incorporate it. You have to teach your parents these things. How do you teach them? Show them the practical use of it. Because to be honest, the media is coming, and then it is coming into your parents' offices. But if they can use it, they have an advantage. advantage. It's just like when there were typewriters, the computers came. These are first of that. Because he had a job and maybe hierarchy. Other person typewriter, where's typewriter? The people that you think cut off is shame. How old are they? How many are they? Before, typewriter knowledge was big knowledge. It is no longer there. Computer knowledge now. But when you're using AI now, you are feeding into it, and your parents are awake and they have the knowledge of computer. It just means that they are better. So on that call, when I was teaching this level, I was teaching them, people say, that is, students people like it though. I know that when I'm teaching, she's like it. My daughter used to say, come on, let me teach her. She told me I don't like it. But now that I'm teaching, she's saying, it's very important to go and meet her daughter to teach her all these things. Now she's saying that, this girl is teaching me the right level. So why don't you begin to incorporate it into your mother and dad? Well, I won't argue with you. Our parents have issues with trust, but you could keep continuing. See, I'm into cybersecurity, and the one thing in cybersecurity area is when you share links anyhow or you forward messages. But if I show you my phone, I wake up to 1,000 messages from my dad, and I preach every day. I say, Daddy, if somebody hears that you are sharing this message, they will ask me, have you not into cybersecurity? That was the one. My younger brother called me 2 weeks ago, on the 9th of June, because it was someone's birthday. He wanted to celebrate somebody, and he found out that his account is paid. And I'm like, how did it happen? I didn't even know. It means the person has access to the account for a while, because I just sent money to this account this day, my device said, and now it's cleared. I think, what is the password? He now calls his ex-girlfriend, ex-girlfriend, because it's her phone number. I swear, I was on night shift. I was with my colleague, Joshua. Someone will be professional breathing in a way. What have I taught my family? It's how will anybody get his ex-girlfriend number? Let's be known. Let's be known. There's something in cybersecurity we call recognizance. Recognizance is where somebody is aiming at you and he gathers information about you. These information are completely available. Is it for me to know your phone number? Is it for me to know your phone number? That is mom's name. Is it for me to know your siblings' name? Is it for me to get their phone numbers? Yes. Your agent is a yo. You know the funny thing is, our parents are father. The other time when my dad would always tell me to, if you want to be transferred, you say, sort of take and make it. And then I personally don't like using people's phones. I don't like doing people's pins, not using people's phones. I don't like using people's pins. I like the things that come with ignorance. Like I don't know. I don't want to be dating and know. And you do not know me. So if you is take it. And then I don't like to it. What is it? He still wants to do. I look at the man. I was like, that's what do you really want to pay for? You know how easy it is. And I was like, by the next time I was making transfer, say I straight to pay. And see what is it? Guess. No, my brother is smarter than that. 4, 3, 2, 1. I didn't even go today. The Because what do you want to say? If you say what people are not strong, but it's one has to be strong. So it's easy to get information, but the point is you gain knowledge. Don't keep it to yourself. You have to keep saying it. Even if your mother is sitting at your house, by the time one day she goes to the office, and one of her colleagues is trying to do the material to spike her, she remember that you have been saying, and she tell her, do you know that my child is teaching this? People don't know. And when she comes back, she will not tell you to teach her. She will use time. And shout at you. Or come and tell you that. It's not that you are not talking this to me. This small girl come and teach, show me this in the office. But the main point is you just have to keep talking. Because tomorrow we talk about financial security. You have to keep talking. But the more they different fields of work, our words are threatened. So let's go further. I want to try to learn. So the landscape of regulatory compliance. As generative AI becomes more sophisticated, increasingly important, we now have to talk about, does this AI need ethics? Because like we spoke about, some people do plagiarism without thinking about it. Some of us still copyright documents without even knowing. So now you have to think. You know, the funny thing is when you look at these AIs, they tell you they have a likelihood of being wrong. But for us, their word is yea and amen. How does it tell you say me at the mess of but you don't carry on? I don't know how it sounds, but it does not sound good. So we now have to consider this thing I am asking, is it breaking any ethical law? Is it breaking any law that concerns the environment I'm staying at? Some people want to ask, so some questions are racist in nature, and trying to tell you that this question I'm not going to answer. In fact, as I was saying, see, and you ask questions about malware, to not answer. To tell you that you cannot give information about malware because malwares are infectious, like they could infect the system, you could use it for malicious purposes. So they would not give you that information. So before you can get information like that, I'll give the charge on this. You need to coin the person in a very smart way, or maybe say you are using it for educational purposes and stuff like that. So you have to think about that. Regulators are concerned about potential algorithms and the misuse of generated content. Misuse of generated content. Let's talk about plagiarism. Let's talk about where your content that you have to be using, you know, speaking the right thing. And to be honest, we don't go through these things. How many of them go through the assignment and this? I go through it word by word. Word by word. Okay, yeah, don't go down. Word by word, every word, and you make corrections when necessary. How do you confirm that is correct? You know, where you are given an assignment that has been tested, how do you confirm that is correct? Do you have a test to question?
So sometimes I compare with God.
Why? You can tell go. Okay. So you check. Okay, sometimes, what about other times? Okay. So what you're telling me that for every assignment you do, you ensure that you have a test to question. Yeah. You're sure. That's good. Okay, so you have to question to be sure that you are careful about transparency and explainability of AI models are critical to ensure responsible use. So that was the problem that I don't know. The organization was saying that Copilot is not transparent with how we need to use this data, how we want to get this data, and we are not ready to give them their data until they are transparent. We want to know how you are using it, why you are using it, how much, when it comes to data, there's like a lot of regulations around it. We have HIPAA as a regulatory body for health-related data. We have NDPR, that privacy regulatory body in Nigeria. We have PCI DSS, the regulatory body for companies that work with cards. So companies that issue ATM cards, they are under PCI DSS. They have to adhere to particular rules. They have to adhere to particular regulations. That's why we see that there are some fintechs that do not give out cards. I think Carbon as a fintech is closing out its ability to give out cards. I don't know if it broke any rule regulation. So because of these regulations, generative AI have to be careful not to overstep on any regulation. And if there's any regulatory body that's in that, there's a problem with this, so totally stop, just like the European regulatory body that spoke about, they are saying, hey, if you do not agree with how much you use our data, what you use our data for, you don't want to use like that. So there are regulatory bodies that will ensure that you have to adhere to So what are some practical applications? Content creation. I feel like I'm going back for that. Content creation. So now your social media. Who has worked as a social media manager before? You worked as a social media manager before. Who uses ChatGPT, Copilot, or anything to create content for a social media post? Okay, what kind of content do you create?
Like program get maybe to persuade people.
What's the job like? So, what's the job like? Is that a job or a personal thing? It's a personal thing. So you create like advertisements, stuff like that. Yeah, and I heard the person was talking about advertisements soon. Yeah. So now, if you work as a social media person, you just need to have a topic. You just need to topic, to be honest, and you have a table post you can post. And what I like about that's the thing between August and November, I worked as a social media intern, and then I just get the topic and put it and say provide a post on social topic, a LinkedIn post. It provides a LinkedIn post. You can say provide an Instagram post to see the platform. You know that these platforms are different platforms. The way you would use the image on Instagram, the image you put on LinkedIn is not the same thing. Who has LinkedIn here? You know that LinkedIn is more professional. You cannot carry Instagram English to LinkedIn. So you have generative AI where you can say provide a post that speaks to LinkedIn. And it will give you very beautiful content, very, very beautiful content. There was this tool we were using there. I'm trying to remember. You just say provide content on that was a video tool. So to provide content on say a video on something related to cybersecurity you want, you can say this is the script I want you to use. That's what you can get it from ChatGPT. To provide people that will be reading the scripts. And to look so real and without creativity. So you see, content creation is less talk. You don't even have to think a lot about inspiration, initiative. You just have to think about the topic or think about, in fact, it can even be completely with your thoughts, in the sense that I'm thinking, I want to do this, I don't know how to do it. Can help you say what is it like this, and you have the ability to produce like 3 different answers. Sometimes it produces 3 different, so you pick the one that is better for you. So stuff like that is made easy. Who has used GPT on Copilot that is for designer? There's a particular, we call it Copilot designer. If you go on Copilot, You have not used it. Nobody has. No. I want to use this. Then Copilot, not the teacher. Copilot is so I see some people have their systems. Put it on this. Let's try. Let's check for Copilot. Check for Copilot. Do you know how to? This is the designer. But let's see it in the system. You guys have systems. Just put it on. Put it in Copilot. Copilot, please. Copilot. How do you get it?
It's just down there.
I have seen Copilot, but I'm not seeing it very often. Okay, so on Copilot, if you go there, you will see it has different GPTs. It has Copilot, it has designer, it has vacation planner, it has cooking assistance, it has fitness trainer. So with all of the GPTs, we could just easily ask you to design something. So for people that I want you to ask for a design and show me, let's design anything for you. Design anything, then show us. Where are you working out? Anybody? Open Copilot designer. I don't think you generate something. What's the register? Anything. Okay, just sorry. What do you generate? No. What?
Recording in progress.
Huh? Who did you make? Yeah, exactly. What did you? Huh? Okay, that's any other questions? I don't think I can. What do you think?
You don't think I see it.
So, nice. Okay, that's fine. Any other one? I'm waiting for you guys to. Who else now? I'm too hard to people in the class. Oh, sorry. What did you do? Okay. So, lead designer for people that have tried designer. Go to the food planner. Is it food planner? The business. No. Cooking assistant, thank you. Create a recipe or something. Give a recipe for a 5 months pregnant woman in Lagos. Make it specific to a place. Somebody give in Lagos, somebody give in London. Just make it for a food plan for a 5 month old pregnant woman. Like her pregnancy is 5 months old. The English is plenty. Create a food plan for a woman that is 5 months old pregnant. London, Lagos. I want somebody maybe do Lagos, somebody do London, and somebody do the US. Let's see. Some people are not engaging in this thing. But some people are able to take it on their phone. People don't want to do it. What are you doing? Anybody else? General. All the prompts.
Plan for 5 months of pregnant woman in London.
Okay. Just without someone. People, where are people working to?
It's essential to focus on a balanced diet that provides necessary nutrients for both you and your growing baby. Here are some general guidelines for your pregnancy meal plan. 1, protein. Include lean protein sources such as poultry, fish, egg, legumes, and tofu. Then 2, calcium, dairy products, the rest. 3, iron. Iron-rich foods like lean red meat, poultry, fish, lentils. 4, folates, leafy grains.
That English you just spoke now, it sounds like a Nigerian English.
Now,
It's actually specific to this. Change it to Lagos lesson. Check if you see a difference.
now to go again, it's Lagos, Nigeria.
Some people are just cheating there. Don't worry, I'm rounding up already. Sorry.
Okay, it's a bit different.
It's a big difference, yeah?
Yeah.
What's the difference?
Okay, like for the calcium rich food, they said kiwi,
Mm-hmm.
berries, dried figs, dates.
Those are things that peculiar us. So dating is like our thing, especially with the Nigerian thing. Okay, good. So let's become a class again. Please come back here. So when it comes to software development, we have tools like copilots that can actually suggest codes for you. If you bring up codes like codes that before now, a software developer could take days to write a piece of codes, deploy them, make it work. Debugging was a lot of work. But now we have machines that can or generating codes for you, do this task very, very easily for you, and you don't have to struggle, you don't have to stress. So we have machines that automate code generation, and then making software testing processes, software development processes a lot easier, a lot better. This is me concluding. We know that it holds immense potential to shape the future. Its ability to automate tasks, generate human quality content, and accelerate innovation paves the way for a more efficient and creative world. As we move forward, it is crucial to harness this technology responsibly to maximize its benefits and minimize potential risks. By embracing the power of generative AI, we can drive significant advancement across various industries. I'm going to pause here. Last 1 hour or more, have I been speaking to myself? I want feedback. What have you heard? What have you learned? If you were asked, what would you say? What would you say? Generative AI. What did you learn? What did you learn? Justify people. You don't want to know. Justify people. Create design. So you learn to create a design using generative AI. Yes. Okay. Okay. So the whole talk about incorporating generative AI into jobs, into the tasks we do and stuff like that. Any other one? Yeah. The ethics are important to always think about this thing I'm doing. If it's breaking any ethical law, or stepping on anything, that's so important to use citation and reference. Any other one? Two more. How important that I can give you a response. So I like to say the better your comments, the better your response. The person that will ask what is good and the person that will say, give me explain food in the context of a 5-year-old reading food, local food in Nigeria, they're not going to get the same response. So I'll say the better your prompt, the better your response. One more person. One more person. One more person. Yes. You can put it to people, marketer, your parents, your lecturers. You can put it that they can use it to teach them how to use it. With that, I've come to the end. Thank you very much for being here.
Wow. How many of us, you've been enjoying yourself, nice your answer? You've been enjoying yourself. Okay, you are not enjoying yourself because people are raising up their hands. You are not enjoying yourself, nice your hands. Don't be shy. Let's be realistic, Jerry. There's no network. That's why you're not enjoying yourself. All right, so quickly, how many of us have questions here? You have questions. Let's get an account. Okay, one, another person. Any question? Two, another question. Two. Okay. You're not sure, like, oh, should I? Okay, which one cover you? Okay, well, let's say, okay, please. I'll let someone to give you have question, just use your hand up. So let's go. If you have question, I'm going to give us a number, and after giving that number, we are done with it. Okay, because I put your hand first. Number one, I like your number two, number three, number four, and five. All right, 5 questions. Okay, so why we ask our questions? We'll be doing a very quick demo right now. This demo, I don't know why some of you, the network is not showing. I don't know. We provided laptops for you now. There's internet. I don't know. We don't know what else to do with that. Internet. I guess maybe it's the network. So we did a demo quickly about ChatGPT playground. How you can actually tweak or I don't know the language for it now. How you can play around, that is the word. How you can play around your ChatGPT and how you can how you can manipulate that in English, how you can manipulate, yeah, now you are able to get your response, on the ChatGPT. So, but why Samuel will be coming up to do that? Sam, you can come set up, for that. And I take the questions quickly. We have about a few minutes to end this particular session. We'll be going to another session, and that session majorly is of embarrassing and most of that. So that's sort of from your members and what it is. Once you take yourselves while you do this step out, step out. Let's shine. We don't step out. And how that's to do more how to do it. I think how to do this. Because maybe you understand maybe because of the so the people who use AI, who use AI, have technical knowledge of family subject. For you to be able to work with AI, right, there are a lot of things you be able to do that. And one very quick thing, and this is one of the AI developed in GPU, which is that actually are able to power the model. How do you call it? Machines that help capacity. Because we have quite a lot of hardware and also a lot of knowledge that have to do. Yeah, so if you're going into that level, you are going into the possibility more or less more of the developer. So, let's look at the technology is what we what another thing that I think is not we can do that's how to I think that's also one thing that we also have to from looking at what of this thing. I think now one of the things that is being done presently, the present government is actually funding some organizations to begin to train models in Nigeria, and they have selected organizations to actually they are doing AI research. So research is actually done. Federal government is actually funding AI research. So it's not so that except they have the fund anyway, if you can fund yourself, you have the money to do that. You can then begin to look in that direction. But it's actually beyond the scope of this training or this bootcamp. I think that is why women are practically this video. That people passion for doing
Simulation. Get the question correctly. Climate modeling. Yeah. All right. All right. Okay. Excuse me. I thought you had left. Okay.
So when you that you are asking to connect that, and want to simulate the office, you are always going to have people to yes, sir. So depending on the kind of requirements, the consideration and see how they are going to that. So you need to have had the same for the same not the last time. Maybe the same I so now when you simulate, what is what is simulate if you want to see the more weight. So the companies so
For yeah. So I did get that. Well, you get everything and just bring that here. This is the product. This is the product. Okay, so depending on what type of product, also the solution itself that the lead that is going to determine the for example, open air. Maronia was like, open air had an idea for a product which was a chat bot that could interact with. So they had to make use of GPT as the model. And there are several different types of models that can be used. But that's actually because of that, the customer and you don't see that structure.
They are for the developers. For developers, you have different tools there, but we have to go to playground. So playground, like the name suggests, is a playground. You can actually play with the model, play with the Well, so usually once you get a playground, it requests that you sign in. All right, so I am already signed in, and that right, so it's got me in. Now this is the playground. But on your left hand side, now here you see the playground. You have charts, you have assistance, you have completions. Now chart is the model for chat, where you ask a question, you get a response. You ask a question, you get a response. Now, you have assistant. Assistant is the model that provides, you can use a virtual assistant or assistant. If you want to do a Q&A or a FAQ, when someone asks a question, the person maybe question about a product, you can provide response to the person. Assistant was that for completion. Completion is the model that provides how will I describe this? Anyway, let me just read about I'm very on time now. Now, what I want to just read on the chart and just monitor this. Now, towards the right hand side. All right, towards the right hand side, we have the number of things that we can adjust. We have the temperature. Now, here the temperature, it says controlled randomness. Now, lowering results in less random conditions. As the temperature approaches zero, the model will behave deterministic and repetitive. So you can slide to 0 or slide to 2. Now, when this slide is on 0, the response that you get from the model is actually different from the way it responds to you when you are on 1 or when you are approaching a 2. Now, the idea about this is that it is more likely to give you repetitive responses. For example, if I ask you the same question, there's a tendency for you to get the same answer or the same response every time. And that's what happens when the slide is approaching 0. But when it's approaching the same question in different ways, giving you different forms or different flavors of the response that ChatGPT is giving. So sometimes it depends on the tool or the platform. You can integrate and do this. Now let me quickly show you something, because by the time you are done doing this setup, if you click on this view code, now it displays for you codes with all of the values for the settings. This can actually be imported into an application or into a product that you are using, such that from your tool or from that product, it will be connected to the GPT platform or GPT model. And so you don't actually need to go to ChatGPT, like you go to chatgpt.com. But from your own maybe website, your own product, your user can interact with it, and yet you'll actually be making use of the ChatGPT model. Now, I'll bring it down to that. I need to leave it. Now, let me just quickly show you this. Now, in this drop down are different models. Here you have GPT 3.5 Turbo 60K, you have GPT 3.5 Turbo 0125, GPT 3.5 Turbo. Now, all of these models differ in the way they respond. Now, if you tweak and play around, you can be able to see which actually helps and gives you a response that is different. All right, so I'll just stop at this. I already explained how you can get it. So on your own, you can do that. You see the side, play around, and see what ideas you can come up with. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. I think it is actually a round of applause for the answer. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, tomorrow we continue to practice. You understand what we did today was more the talk, the theory, because we have a good foundation. But tomorrow is going to be really practical. So where it stops today, we're going to continue there also tomorrow. Like I said earlier, we'll also be having practical on machine learning, practicals on prompt engineering. Tomorrow we're going to be building the website together tomorrow. Yes, so maybe from scratch, if I buy the domain name, we buy the domain name here tomorrow, and then in fact, don't worry, we're going to do everything tomorrow. So tomorrow is going to be fully practical. So please do not miss it for anything. We are moving straight into another section right now, which is I think you can introduce it to them. And so this is by the American Spaces in Nigeria. I think it's something about this development series or something.
Okay. So earlier, I mentioned that American Spaces have some programs still together. So this particular one, Geo Development Program Series, it is skills. And this particular one is freelance. It's like 2 weeks ago, 2 sessions I think 3 sessions. And at the end of the 5 sessions, there is certification from US Constitution. If interested, you can just stay back and it's starting like from 1:30 to 3:30 p.m. So if you're interested, you can just stay back. Please.
I will advise you to stay. I will advise you to stay because half of the knowledge you can get very important. We, as you see, have been taking several courses from the US government here. And let's ask something.
So to earn the certificate, you have to attend the last 3 sessions because you need 80% attendance to get certificate. So if you are sure that you'll be able to attend the last 3 sessions, it is every Tuesday, 1:30 to 3:30, every Tuesday. So you have a decision to go in. If you are sure you are going to be we actually, it's 5 sessions. We are done. So it's in 3rd session. We are from today, we have so much to do. So if you are able to become in 3 sessions, then you're very certificate. Okay. Cumulatively, right, 3 sessions.
All right. So also for the AI training, also we have 80% attendance. So yes, it's 80%. So mean that you must attend at least 2 classes out of the 3 days. You understand? So people are here today, but people wish that I need to come today, but they will come tomorrow and next tomorrow. But people are here today and they say, oh, you want to have a big one, I'll be around. And I tell them it's fine. But just you can hear today, but here tomorrow, last must be around. But I will say that everybody needs to be around for the last day. The 3rd day, it is compulsory for that last day, you have to be around. Yes, that is different. Yes, for the AI is a different certificate. The one for the new development series is directly from the US mission in Nigeria. It's directly from the US mission in Nigeria. This other one is from the partners, which American Corner Nigeria is also part of them. Do we get it? So quickly. Please, quickly, I know our facilitator needs to leave. I want to just take a quick photograph quickly. Let us take for today. Why? Please, can we just take a photograph together?
to enter the space when you explain.
Yeah.
It's
Okay.
what's
Okay. This is next. Please, step out. Thank you so much. Let's do that. Let's do that. Thank you. We can look at that box on the seat. Let's do that. Thank you so much. So the second is all already. So let us do the program.
Yeah, you type in. No, you can adjust. To be able to see the
Please, let's step out.
variant of person. Yes, then after this, so sometimes just or information or not actually the response that is basically all right.
I think it is better to start again. And you don't want to start for those. Please go on.
Yes, of course.
Please come, let's make this hey, your guy from your can you say what to the picture? You think guys coming right now?
Emmanuel, camera.
Hello, David, Daniel. Let's do the please, we are waiting for you. So please don't forget tomorrow, 9 a.m. We start early tomorrow. And if you're late, you're missing a lot of value. So please let's make it early. Okay. We said the next Wi-Fi to be updated tomorrow. No, on the laptop, we are updated, not
our section. Okay. That's right. Student that indicates the able to do the when it comes to freelancing. So yeah, but today
no, that's that one outside. Not just for record keeping. All right, thank you so much. Please let's sit down. If you're going to be waiting, please sit down quietly. The project is on already. So let's count this out. Please. Please, let's sit down. Let's sit down. Let's sit down. So don't worry, just sit down. We'll come get laptop from you. Just like I said, you come get laptop from you. So who will need laptop from
you can actually